Meaning of indecisively.
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 Indecisively. The word indecisively means to act without making a clear decision. When a person behaves indecisively, they may be uncertain or hesitant about a particular course of action, leading to a lack of resolution. This behavior can be seen in various situations, such as choosing between two options or responding to a difficult question. The result of indecisiveness can often be confusion or missed opportunities, as a lack of clear decision-making may cause others to lose confidence in one's ability to lead or take action. Ultimately, being indecisive can hinder progress and growth in both personal and professional realms.